Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Welcome to our adventure with AlgarExperience. In today's video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the stunning Benagil Cave, along the dramatic Algarve coastline and out to the open sea for dolphin watching. It all begins here at the Marina de Albufeira, a vibrant hub of activity in the Algarve, Portugal. Don't forget to check out that other video on the marina. So our journey starts with tickets that offer flexibility for every budget. It's €45 per person for the Benagil Caves and dolphin watching tour. For €51 though, you can add in a money back guarantee, get a full refund if you don't spot any dolphins on your trip. The route they take depends on ticket sales, of course. If many passengers opt for the €51 option, then they'll of course prioritise dolphin sightings to avoid losing refunds. Choose from 4 daily departures, 9 AM, 12 PM, 3 PM or 6 PM. The tour itself lasts 2.5 hours. We opted for the midday slot, 12 till 2:30 PM. Once on board, the cool ocean breeze keeps the heat at bay, but hold on to your belongings. The boat does move quite quickly and you'll feel the wind and see the waves splash alongside you. Now on to the dolphin watching, which for me was the highlight of this trip, hands down. Unlike certain other tours which I've been on in the past and you may have experienced yourself, they can feel rushed and that you're on too tight of a schedule and they're trying to pack too much in. What I really liked about the dolphin watching here was it was the complete opposite. They gave us a lot of time. They gave us a good 20 minutes to stand up, snap photos and record videos and just take it all in. So it didn't feel rushed and it felt quite the opposite. It was quite nice and tranquil. However, seating plays a big role, and as you'll notice later on, we were lucky enough here to sit at the end of the row, giving us this lovely unobstructed view. When you'll see later in the video, the seating makes a difference because there were dolphins on the opposite side of the boat and they were much harder to see from where we were positioned compared to where others were on that side. Something else which is also just worth bearing in mind is that being on a boat can cause seasickness, as a few passengers experience this during our trip. So if you've got any medications you'd like to take beforehand in terms of motion sickness, seasickness, may be worth packing those and bringing them along. Now here is what I was talking about, so you can really see the difference which the seating makes. Compare our previous view where we had great unobstructed views of the dolphins quite up close there, compared to this whereby there are a lot of people in the way. You can still make out the dolphins, but it's just not quite the same as it. So after getting back out onto the open water, after taking in the dolphins and all, it was not long before we were on the approach to the caves, and the scenery here, as elsewhere, was absolutely stunning. The area, of course, bustling with activity, are the boats, paddlers and curious visitors which have come along to explore this destination. The boat itself was quite sizable, as you recall from what I shared with you originally in those photos at the beginning of the video. And considering the size of the vessel, I was quite impressed with how close we got, getting inside the cave and sort of hovering there for a while to take in that view. Again, we had enough time to snap selfies and marvel at the cave itself. But as you'll appreciate, we couldn't linger here too long because other boats were waiting to get inside, and there also was not much room in there to move. But adding to the atmosphere, they quite fittingly played the Pirates of the Caribbean theme, which I thought was perfect for this boat adventure. So as our boat pulled away, and again, the views were breathtaking. So as our boat pulls out, you can see this other boat wastes very little time in quickly pushing forward to go inside the cave themselves. But on the whole, we were able to enjoy the water, enjoy the cave, and also take in a nice 360 panorama of the area, which really did capture stunning views and showed us the true beauty of the Algarve region. Just like that, we were racing back across the open water, feeling the thrill of the boat ride once more with the wind, the waves and the nice breeze. Returning back to the Marina d'Albufera was a lovely, fitting end to the trip. Seeing it from the water offered a fresh perspective, far different from the boardwalk as you'll see when you check out that other video. The experience with AlgarExperience gave us stunning views, unforgettable moments with the dolphins, and a sense of adventure we'll never forget. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to check out the other videos of the marina and the praia if you wish to.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.